All right, so here we have the Skunk 2 Ultra 3s. So I'm gonna spin this to make sure everything is perfect. So I wanna show you guys. I'm just put the drill at the end right here. And I'm gonna spin that. Now we're gonna go and put on the stage 3s, the tuna 3s, and I'm gonna show you what I found that I think is causing this vibration, causing the VTC to rattle. I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, so now I put the tuna 3s on, and I want to show you exactly what I found. And you can see exactly what I mean. Right there. That's going to cause a lot of vibration, and that vibration at a certain RPM, that's when we're getting the sound of the VTC smacking back and forth. That's bad.